Anticipating the other side. Strengthen your arguments in English. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic in discussions and debates: anticipating opposing viewpoints. This is a crucial part of constructing and presenting ideas, and responding to counterarguments, as it can truly boost your argumentative skills in English. To anticipate opposing viewpoints is to understand, predict, and consider what someone with a different point of view might argue. It means you're thinking a few steps ahead, which can strengthen your argument and show your understanding of the topic. This concept is like a game of chess, where you predict your opponent's moves to better strategize your own. This strategy can make your argument stronger. Knowing the other side allows you to refute their arguments and also demonstrates your comprehensive understanding of the topic. It can build your credibility, showing you've thoughtfully considered different perspectives before reaching your conclusion. Here are some steps you can follow. Step 1. Understand your own argument. You can't counter other arguments effectively unless you fully understand your own. Step 2. Put yourself in others' shoes. Consider why someone might disagree with you. What are the possible counterarguments to your position? Step 3. Research. Look for common objections to your argument. Use reliable sources to understand various perspectives on your topic. Step 4. Address the counterarguments. In your argument, mention the counterarguments and explain why they are less convincing, or how your argument addresses these concerns. The key to mastering this skill is to practice. Start with small discussions, consider the opposing viewpoint, and form counterarguments. Gradually, you'll be able to anticipate counterarguments in complex debates. Remember, the aim isn't just to win the argument, but to engage in a respectful and insightful discussion. Anticipating opposing viewpoints is all about fostering understanding and honing your critical thinking skills. We hope this video will help you become more effective in your debates and discussions in English. Stay tuned for more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.